played a very great role in ancient Egyptian normal life or in them cult as well, because it was worshipped by them because of two reasons. The first, it's a flower which looks like sun rays, representing the god Amon-Ra. The second is the end of the plant of the stem, which has a rectangular form or pyramid shape. Okay? Okay? So, you know, when we buried the king or the mummy in the pyramid, make like a trap going up till reaching to the sun rays, to the second life. So this one is considered, you know, something like the road between the first life to the second life. Whatever, let's see how we convert this plant into a sheet of papyrus like this. Okay? Look, at first we cut the stem according to the size we need. Small one or a big one, okay? So we can use a fresh one like this. That's why I'm giving for us a sheet of papyrus like this size. The first step is to remove the skin in this way. Then we use the inner part, the white one, for making the papyrus paper, okay? That one. For the green part, used by the ancient Egyptian people for making baskets, boots, sandals, hats, mats, because when we put it together, become very strong and flexible enough for making that, okay? Even in the Egyptian museum, some stuff made of that, like the sandals of King Tutankhamun, made of that one, okay? For the inner part, which we use it for making the paper, is fragile and weak. That's why, because it contains water and sugar. So we have to prepare it before we use. How? By cutting it into small and thinner slices in this way. What? Sweetie. Then we hammer it for getting out the water and for making the slices much flexible and much strong. We use the rolling pin as well. So now we get the slices a little bit much stronger, much flexible, but still contains a huge amount of sugar. Keep watching with these slices, which we use it for making the paper, okay? So what we do, we put in water for reducing the sugar inside. We leave it in water for 6 days for getting a light one like this. More time in water, more darker. So 12 days for getting the brown one. After that, we take the slices and put it between two pieces of wool. One vertical and one horizontal, like the weaving section. Right? Vertical and horizontal overlap till finish the paper. Then we take all and put it under the press machine. We leave it here for about 1 week.
1 week?
Yeah. During this week, the slices stick together in very natural way. That's how. Still a little bit of sugar making that. Giving for us the final result, a papyrus paper like this. Right? And touch is it. Makes the others. So this one is the strongest paper all over the world. But you know, like all the stuff all over the world, there is a fake and a real one. How we make the difference between the real stuff, the real papyrus, and the fake one? Look. Surrounds the pyramids, some other where you can see something that looks like this, made of banana leaves. But for the real one, we have to see the vertical and horizontal slices under the light as you see. But the fake one has just one line. Okay? Also, we can see the rest of the sugar. You see? But the banana leaves hasn't. Okay? the big difference between the real one and any kind of paper all over the wallet, that one is washable. If we wash it, don't damage. Yeah. Even we can squeeze it again. We can squeeze it like this. What? Still good and still strong. Okay?
But
For that,
put the glue